The 2011 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, fog lights, CD player, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, leather package, trip computer, satellite radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.